Good morning and welcome to yet another edition of reading of Ecclesiastes. Words of the preacher, son of David, king in Jerusalem. Chapter 8. Who is a wise man and who knoweth the interpretation of a thing? A man's wisdom makes his face to shine, and the boldness of his face shall be changed. I counsel thee to keep the king's commandment and the regard of the oath of God. Be not hasty to go out of sight, stand not in an evil thing. Stand not in an evil thing, for he doeth whatsoever pleaseth him. Where the word of the king is, there is power. And who may say unto him, What doest thou? Whoso keepeth the commandment shall feel no evil thing, and a wise man's heart discerneth both time and judgment. Because to every purpose there is a time and judgment, therefore the misery of man is great upon him. For he knoweth that not that which shall be, for who can tell when it shall be? There is no man that has power over the spirit to retain the spirit, neither has he power in the day of death. And there is no disgrace in that war, neither shall wickedness deliver those that are given to it. All this have I seen, and applied my heart unto every work that is done under the sun. There is a time wherein one man ruleth over another in his own heart. And so I saw the wicked buried, who had come and gone from the place of the holy, and they were forgotten in the city where they had done. This is also vanity, because sentence against an evil work is not executed speedily. Therefore the heart of the sons of men is fully set in them to do evil. Though a sinner do evil 100 times and his days be prolonged, yet surely I know that it shall be well with them that fear God, which fear before him. But it shall not be well with the wicked, neither shall he prolong his days. It shall be well which are as a shadow, because he feareth not before God. There is a vanity which is done upon earth, that there be just men unto whom it happeneth according to the work of the wicked. Again there be wicked men to whom it happeneth according to the work of the righteous. I said that this is also vanity. Then I commanded mirth, because a man has no better thing under the sun than to eat and to drink and to be merry, for that shall abide with him of his labour the days of his life, which God has given him under the sun. When I applied my heart to know wisdom and to see business that is done upon earth, for there also there is that neither day nor night seeth sleep with his eyes. Then I behold all the work of God, that a man cannot find out the work that is done under the sun. Because though a man labour to seek it out, yet he shall not find it. Further, though a wise man think to know it, he shall not be able to find it. That is the end of chapter 8.